guys, today we are gonna make an easy chocolate cake with my mom's help. The ingredients are 2 cups of flour, 2 cups of sugar, 1 cup of powdered chocolate, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 3 eggs, 4 tablespoons of butter, and 1 cup of warm milk. First, we are gonna crack the 3 eggs.
我们要放3个鸡蛋哈，弄开来。鸡蛋放好了以后，你要放什么？
Then we need to put the 4 tablespoons of butter.
等一下，因为那个 tablespoon 要算在哪里
？Then we put the 4 tablespoons of butter.
好，你放。
Then we put the 2 cups of sugar.
对，还有什么？
1 cup of warm milk. My mom's gonna help me because it's burning. Then we put the 1 cup of powdered chocolate.
Then we start mixing. 先 mix 用漏就好。拿那个 whisker 动一动，慢慢来，慢慢来。可以。你要讲话你就讲。
Then we put the 2 cups of flour.
慢慢放，慢慢放，来。慢慢来，不要全部，慢慢来。等一下，好，都放好了，你要放什么？
Then we need the 1 tablespoon of baking powder.
这样子你可以 mix 来。
After mixing 5 minutes, we're gonna put it in a bowl. We already greased the pan.
I help you? 我帮你。慢慢来。太多了，这样不可以。好了，没有了，你看看。哎呦！ Now that the cake is already, the mixture is already in the pan, we're gonna put it in the oven that it's preheated in 180 degrees. Okay, we used to put a piece of foil to protect the cake of burning the bottom part. So now we're gonna put it in the oven And we're gonna bake it like for how many minutes, Ian?
30 or 35 minutes.
Okay, so we're gonna put it into the oven.
A few moments later.
Now after 35 minutes of baked, the cake is ready.
Subscribe and put a like.